Every single day, you are talking to someone, even when no one else is around. Neville Goddard taught that this inner conversation, the one you have with yourself, is what shapes your reality more than anything else. Not affirmations you repeat forcefully, not visualizations you strain to hold, but the quiet, habitual dialogue you live in. In this video, we're going to explore what Neville meant by mental diet, how inner conversations create outcomes, and how to gently shift them without force. Neville Goddard said, "Watch your inner conversations. They are the causes of the events of your life." Most people think manifestation is something they do. Neville taught it's something you're already doing, unconsciously. When you replay arguments in your mind, when you imagine being misunderstood, when you silently explain yourself to people who aren't there, you are rehearsing states, and states externalize. The world doesn't respond to your wishes. It responds to the version of you that is speaking internally. A mental diet is not about suppressing thoughts. It's about redirecting inner conversations. Neville didn't tell people to fight negative thoughts. He told them to replace the dialogue. Instead of mentally arguing with someone who hurt you, you imagine them speaking to you lovingly. Instead of explaining why things went wrong, you hear yourself being congratulated. This isn't pretending. This is choosing the state you live from. Let's do a simple inner conversation shift now. Think of one area of life that feels heavy. Don't analyze it. Just notice it. Now ask yourself, what am I usually saying to myself about this? Instead of correcting it, gently replace it with a short sentence, one that implies resolution. Examples: it worked out better than I expected. They understand me now. I'm finally at peace about this. You don't need to believe it. You only need to experience the tone of it. Neville explained that feeling is the secret, but feeling comes from meaning. And meaning comes from conversation. When your inner dialogue changes, your nervous system changes. When your nervous system changes, your reactions change. And when your reactions change, reality follows. You are not manifesting things. You are manifesting states of being. If you've been trying too hard to manifest, this is your permission to stop forcing. Neville never taught effort. He taught acceptance. Let the inner conversation be kind. Let it be settled. Let it be finished. If these teachings resonate with you, subscribe and stay connected. New Neville Goddard inspired. Videos are shared here to support your alignment and inner shift. Rest in the assumption and let it unfold.